would you change the rules now? Because they have been very faithful to the provision of the Constitution in the past. So there is only one obvious reason para medyo madali na ang paghahatol ng conviction laban kay VP Sara.
Noong day 1 po, mismo ang presiding officer na si Senator Chis Escudero ang nagbigay linaw na tungkol doon sa threshold, no? And kahapon, muli siyang tinanong kung yun ba ay opinion lang or magiging kumbaga parang magiging ruling na ng impeachment trial at kinonfirm nga ito ng presiding officer. So, wala na tayong dapat pag-usapan pa sa threshold at hindi na ito mababago or pwede pa ito mababago sa pag-usad ng impeachment trial attorney sa kanila mismo dyan sa impeachment court?
On that score, Admar, I give credit to Senator Chis Escudero sa paglilinaw na ginawa niya. Paglilinaw. Pero sa ating mga abogado, hindi na kailangan no need to clarify further kasi klarong-klaro naman din sa Constitution na yung threshold is always 16 or 2/3 of the members of the Senate. And by precedence, no, sa lahat ng mga impeachment trials in the past, ganun naman din talaga yung threshold. So ang tanong ngayon, kung pinaghihiritan na ibababa mo yung threshold, bakit? May precedence na. In all lahat, from panahon ng dating Pangulong Estrada, ni Chief Justice Corona, lahat. So ibig sabihin, why would you change the rules now? Because they have been very faithful to the provision of the Constitution in the past. So there is only one obvious reason para medyo madali na ang paghahatol ng conviction laban kay VP Sara. I hope they will not tinker with that again. Pinaghihiritan, mahirap na paghihiritan kasi we are now again violating the Constitution insofar as that point of the threshold vote for conviction is concerned, or acquittal for that matter.